Next, type of SQL injection. So see, types of SQL injection divided by the exploitation, like because of their exploitation, like how we are exploiting the SQL injection. Because of that, we divided them by the exploitation method. So inbound means normal, like we see the queries or anything, like everything visible to us, that is inbound. So we call this classic also. Other is inferential or blind, means nothing visible to us, just we can assume. Like we can use the time based or we can use the true false. And other is out of band. Out of band means nothing visible to us, just we can send our like DNS queries, and if we are getting the DNS response, then we can say like, okay, SQLi is there. So inbound, there is error based inbound. So error based inbound means application throw the error. Let's say when we are doing something, let's say I will use a single quote or double quote, application throw an error, and because of that error we exploit this. So that is error based. And other is union based. So same thing is application throw the error, but for exploitation we will use the union. Means I fix this query and I run the union, and I will say union 1 equals to 1, and I will run other query like union select and name from customer table. Like I run the other query by using the union method. So that is union SQL injection. And next is Boolean SQL injection. Boolean SQL injection means we set the true or false condition. See, I already told you true or false condition, and this see, this is true condition, ID 200 and 1 equals to 1, so always true. So this is true, we are getting the result. Okay, and if we change 1 to 2, so this is true, this is false, and what is the final result? Final result is false, because see, we are using the AND. Even you find a 1 false means everything false. So this is false and this is true. So we are getting the different result in this, and we are getting different. Because of this true and false condition, we can exploit an application by using the SQL injection because of this thing. Because see, we can find out, okay, application showing you this, and application showing this when you are using the true condition, and application showing you this when you are using the false condition. So we can use the there are some exploitation method, from that we can exploit that. Okay, other is time based. So what we can do, we can set a time, and we can tell them, okay, if id equals to this and sleep for 5, let's say 5 seconds, so application will sleep. From that we can also find out, okay, there are AND, means if this true, then we will sleep. If this false, then don't sleep. I will show you. See, ID 200 is there, because of that this sleep. And if there is not this, let's say I used ID 20. See how fast we are getting the result, instant, because there is no ID 200. So because of that, this is also same, that true false, but in this we are using the sleep command. And if this is not visible to you, like we can use the more sleep to 10 seconds. So it will sleep for 10 seconds, but this is not, because there is not to 2000 ID. Let's change it to anything that we have. We have, I think, 100. Let's say what ID we have. ID 100 we have, but no, that is this database 201, 203. We are okay, December batch, so we need to say that 201, 203, because that is December table. So 201. So see, this application sleep. So we will use these techniques in exploitation. So because of that, this is a time based SQL injection. And another is out of band SQL injection. So how we can see this out of band SQL injection? Cheat sheet posts figure. So in out of band, we will use the DNS queries for exploitation. So you can use these DNS query. Like if you see, like maybe application using So we can use this. And what happen in out of band, we are getting nothing. See, in response, see, Boolean based, time based, error based, union based, how we are finding this? Because we are getting the result, but in some request, we are getting nothing. Means no response, only like 200, okay, and other than that, there is no data. Because of that, we cannot see anything. So that though, we can try the out of band technique there. And what we can do, we can try these payloads. And in a, and here we can use the work collaborator domain. And if you see any request in your work collaborator, then there is a SQL injection by out of band technique. Okay, I will show you like how we can use this for exploitation. So these are the types of SQL injection.